we have been busy with the different types of wings. And we can briefly recollect in which ways we tried to touch them, in which ways we tried to have contact with them, in which ways we tried to enjoy them. So, like always, just stand upright for a moment, just recollect what carries you. And breathe. Turn the hands slightly, the back of the hands backwards. Let the arms rise weightlessly and feel the space behind. And maybe you notice it's not only the arms which open up to the space behind. It's the whole back. It's the lower back. It's the sphere of the kidneys. All this feels the connection. And maybe stand in front a little bit, that you can make 3, 4, 5 steps backwards if possible. And do it again. And have the feeling these wings carry me home. And then let go in a way that you still feel connected to the space behind. And that you have the feeling, I'm brought forward, I'm released forward. And breathe. And then we had this wing, the middle wing, which I called Raphael wing. And from the heart, just maybe start even in the realm of your chest and really let it rise first. Become big before you dive into the depth. Wow, and let go. Hands or left and right slightly crossed over. And let go, go deep. And afterwards, you just let go that the stream can come back. Carries the upper arm and folds the lower arm. And the hands, yeah, they enjoy it so much to be out there. But they are also curious to connect with the depth again. To connect with the source, Mother Earth. Let go, upper arm. And each wing stands behind the other one. We couldn't fly if the first one wouldn't be there supporting this movement. And now we have the third wing, and for this reason that we can approach this one, we use the middle wing. But then we just do not continue like we normally do with the middle wing, but we expand even more. Go down, we let go, Ra, Fa, I. And then in between back and front, you just let go. But you feel with your hands back and front. And then you go into the depths and you open up down there. And through opening up down there, maybe a space next to your ears, up at your shoulders, might come into existence. Relax, let go, come forward. When we say, you use the word Raphael, for the middle wing, which name could we take for the back wing? Them carrying forces. And it's so much an opening up. The I, the R just fits to it. And there is an archangel which is called Anael. Let's just try if it fits with this movement. Just turn your hands, open up. Na. Il. Maybe they cross even up there, the wings. And then let go again. It brings you. Na. And maybe they even cross down there. Il. In front or behind, just in my case it was in front now. And breathe. And then we have the Raphael wing. From our heart we jump with joy and trust into the depths. Yeah. Ra, opening up. Fa, flying. And hands. Il. And let go. Ra, fa, il. And breathe. And what name could we maybe use for the third wing, which cannot even be done actively, yeah? Because I do the others, I enjoy the others. And the third one is a riddle. And maybe, let's just try if the word my, ka-el, fits with this movement. So we start with the Raphael. Ra, fa, and expand. E. And now very carefully, in between of in front and behind. My. Just let go. Go into the depths. And now open up in the depths. Ha. And then just feel what's happening. Il. And you don't know. You just are. Let go, relax, breathe. We do it one last time. And the nice thing about this word, Michael, and these names, in a way, it's not an archangel who is standing there. All these names are forces of ourselves, yeah? And we carry it in us, and we are carried in them, yeah? So it's not just a name, it's us. Ra, fa, il, my. Arrive first in the depth, and now let go into the depth, not letting go to come up, but into the depths, just calm. And what comes out of that? Heal. And keep in mind that Michael is not just a word. In fact, it's a sentence of 3 words. And it's a question. And then let go, breathe, and sit down and listen to the resonance. How are you sitting now? What is your impression of how are you held in yourself? And when beforehand perhaps left and right didn't play such a great role, how is it now? How do you perceive left and right in different parts of the body or in total now? And when you try to sense towards your felt heart, your felt lung and breath, who is carrying whom? Is your heart carried from your lung? Has the heart become wings? Is the heart a pearl within your lungs? What's the relationship in this moment for you? And then just relax, let go, and be happy that you allowed yourself to dive into so many different ways of experimenting with your inner forces. Just trying to get a glimpse of this, to touch a little bit of that, knowing that your inner being loves to be played with in such a way.